Hey guys, so welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I will be showing you how to do bullet points in Discord. So to do this process, first thing is you can just simply go ahead and go to the Discord. And now guys, you have two methods in order for you to proceed with the bullet. So first, of course, just simply go to one of the messages that you want to send the bullet to. So the first option that you have is press Shift plus F8, and from here you will have the asterisk. So asterisk will serve as the bullet. For example, I'm gonna go for video 1, and after that you should be able to have a bullet. And remember guys, to have a space whenever you are going to the asterisk. So from here, as you can see, this one did not work, so you have to leave a space over here. And the other method that you have is the hyphen. So hyphen will serve as the bullet form. So here, hyphen space and then video 3. And from here, I could just do and list as many bullets as I can. And pretty much this is the only two methods that you have for this to be created. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.